The Desert Laboratory buildings. Halfway up the hill, just west of the road, are the historic headquarters of the Desert Laboratory. Its dark stone walls are volcanic rock quarried from Tumamoc in 1903. The building may look conventional, but it was designed and built for a single specific purpose: the exploration of desert plant biology. This was a tall order in the early 1900s because the scientific study of desert plants had never been undertaken on a comprehensive scale. Everything about desert plants was a puzzle, beginning with their astounding ability to flourish in a land of fierce heat and low rainfall. Questions piled upon questions, and researchers needed new ways to answer them. In response, state-of-the-art lab rooms were designed for the new Desert Laboratory building, a morphology lab to study plant structure and function, plant, soil, and chemistry labs, a dark room, a rooftop weather station, a library, plant Metabolism Lab, a test greenhouse, and a courtyard narrative garden with plants from remote regions of the Sonoran Desert. Since both greenhouse and chemistry labs required pure water, Tucson's first modern rainwater harvesting system collected the roof runoff and directed it to a storage cistern for distribution as needed. Researchers then set to work in their new building, and the result was a sustained burst of discovery and publication. Now, 100 years later, the Desert Lab is still discovering the desert. Questions continue to pile upon questions, including the origins of the desert, climate change, species interactions, and plant and animal genomics. The Desert Lab will continue to serve its original purpose and be the premier center for desert research and outreach.